In this video, we'd like to demonstrate the registration process to the Apollo Payment Platform. Currently, only registered users are allowed to use the platform. Let's start the registration process. To create an account, a user simply needs to type in his or her credentials. And then we just sign in using the credentials of the newly created account. On the first screen, a user will see a list of products from merchants that are available for the purchase. Each merchant can create an unlimited number of products that need to be approved by the platform's administrator. Any user has access to several platform sections, a dashboard with a list of products available for purchase, the profile where a user can add personal information, change a password, or add 2FA using Google Service or SMS. Also, there is a possibility to create a wallet. For this, a user will need to come up with a name for the wallet and choose its currency from the drop-down list. The platform will have various options to deposit money to the wallet. To make a deposit, a user needs to click Balance, choose the desired amount, and choose the service that will be used to process the payment. Currently, 3 options for top-up are available: WaferPay, Stripe, and LickPay. To use Stripe and WaferPay, a user will first need to add the payment card to the service. When the service will be launched in a specific country, we'll add banks that are verified by the national bank as an option to deposit and withdraw. And also, there is a possibility to delete the wallet. Now we'd like to demonstrate the functionality of adding bank cards to the platform. For this, we will need to go to the credit card section. Let's use Stripe in this example. To add a card to the service, a user simply needs to add card information to the platform. And a user can add as many cards as he or she wants. After adding your card to Stripe, we can deposit money to the platform. For this, a user needs to click Balance, choose a required amount for deposit, choose a system, pick a bank card that will be charged, and click Pay. After that, a user will need to wait a bit for the system to process this transaction. So money has arrived on the account. As the balance is not zero, there is a possibility to transfer money from one wallet to another. It can be between personal wallets or to another user's wallet. A user can also withdraw money to the bank card using one of the available systems. Let's now create another wallet and transfer money to it. When the wallet is created, we'll click on the Remittance button, choose the receiving wallet, and type in the amount we'd like to send. Each transaction has a commission that is charged on the sender. The size of the commission is set up by the administrator. Each user can become a merchant. I will now demonstrate the process of creating a merchant. For this, a user needs to fill in the required form. After the merchant is created, we can see it in the merchant list. Each user can have several merchants. Also, there is a possibility to manage each merchant. For this, a user needs to double-click on the required merchant. This field has all information regarding this merchant. And there is also a possibility to upload documents that are required by the platform administrator to prevent fraudulent activity. Only after verification, the merchant will have access to the platform services. Now, I'd like to demonstrate the process of uploading several documents to verify the merchant. After downloading the materials, the administrator can approve them or request additional information. In the payment section, a merchant can add a bank account, either IBAN or Standard, that will receive funds earned to the other platform. I'll now demonstrate how to add a Standard account. Also, the merchant needs to create a wallet. The first wallet is created in the currency of the country in which the merchant is registered. To create a product that will be sold on the platform, a merchant needs to select the type of the product and all the information about it. And after adding this information, the product will be created. Then a merchant needs to require the approval of the product. The administration is reviewing the approval request and decides that the product is eligible. Merchants can also add extra users to manage the merchant account. A merchant administrator can grant rights from a predefined template or by choosing it manually. Now, I'd like to demonstrate the admin panel, which will be used by the National Bank to control the national digital currency. To log in, I'll use admin credentials. The first page is a dashboard, which is currently empty, but will add information that is essential for the National Bank. The administrator has access to information across all services. For example, admin can review all wallets here. We can also see the wallet that we've recently created. Admin has a right to delete wallet, add or change commission, add funds to wallets. There are also different filters to sort this information. National Bank can choose which wallet will receive commissions for different services. So for example, the Transport Department will receive commissions for issuing driver's licenses. Here we have the Transactions section available in the Admin panel. All transactions are available in Transaction History and Transaction Log. The Transaction History has information regarding all transactions without detailed statuses, which are available in the Log. Log has more detailed information, including when the transaction was pending, whether it was blocked, or any other status, and when the status was updated. The Admin panel has also a section with all users. The admin can review users' data, change or add information, and also delete users. This ensures full control of the digital footprint within the country. Also, admin can grant admin access to specific users, send a password recovery email, and disable 2FA. There is also a section with system logs. All actions that administrators make, like log in, request documents, change information, are saved here, so they can be potentially tracked if there are any issues. Through the Merchant tab, authorities will have access to all merchants. Here we can also see the merchant that we recently created. There is a possibility to review the merchant's information, change the verification status, or send a message to this merchant. All data, as in all other sections, can be filtered. Authorities through the Admin panel also have access to the products that were added by merchants. Currently, there are only 2 products, one that we saw in the user's dashboard, and the second one that we earlier created. The administrator can review the information here and grant or reject access to the platform. After the product is verified, it will be available on the user's dashboard. The administrator panel also have a section with currencies. The platform can initially launch with just one currency, so other currencies can be added later on if needed. Each currency has an exchange rate and commissions. All this information is controlled by the National Bank. For commercial use, the platform has a section with countries that has all information about which countries are available. Initially, the platform can be launched with just one country, so that others will be added later. Admin can add a new country by typing in its name and choose the currency of this country. So when the merchant chooses the country, the platform will automatically assign a currency. In the Permission Template section, the administrator can create specific templates with different rights in the system. Here, we have a super admin with access to all services. And now, as an example, I'll create a new type of admin with access to dashboard and wallets only. The section with agents is a separate part of the platform. Any user can sign up to become an agent, but he or she will get access to the platform only after admin's verification. This section will be further adjusted for governmental use, so the National Bank will have a possibility to grant access to the system to different banks. All agents, the same as users and merchants, can change or add their information, like phone number, email address, physical address, bank account, and so on. Also, agents can upload their documents in the Documents section. Currently, only PDF, JPEGs, and PNG are supported formats. Admin in the Admin panel can check the uploaded documents and verify or reject the agent. The Admin panel has a section with information about all agents. Here, an admin can see the list of all agents, including the ones we've just created. By clicking on the agent, the admin can review the information, approve or decline specific documents, approve this agent, and allow him or her to create subagents. This section is also designed to give the National Bank control over commercial banks. So, as we just gave this agent permission to create subagents, let's create one. After inputting the information, we will have 2 agents. Each agent can create different wallets that have the same functionality as the user's wallet. Agents can deposit, withdraw, and transfer money between wallets. This functionality will give a possibility to agents to deposit money to the user's wallet who deposited in cash. In the Subagent menu section, a main agent needs to input an email address of the potential subagent and wait for the verification from the subagent. For the subagent's verified status, he or she should go to the Parent Agent section, which now has an application from our main agent. A subagent can stop being part of the subagent network at any time. In the Users section, by adding an email address, we can add new users to manage this agent account. Here, we'll demonstrate the possibility to send money from one account to another using SMS. One user has $120 in the account, and another user has $800 in the balance. Let's transfer from the first wallet $10 to the second one. $10 will need to type the wallet name, amount to be sent, the phone number connected to the account, and the receiving wallet name. So now we can see that the SMS transfer was successful. The receiving account has $810 and the sending account has $109. $10 was transferred and $1 was a commission for this transaction.